You know, there's no question that PowerPole definitely leads the way when it comes to technology in the fishing industry. But this little orange box here that I'm holding is the SeaMonster Gateway system. And that is what's going to bring all these PowerPole products and allow you to run them in one. And what I mean by that is this is just basically a box that you're going to hook into your NEMA 2000 network. So I'm going to use my Lowrance networking backbone, and it's going to allow me then to bring up not only my charge system so I can see how those battery currents are going back and forth, but also be able to run my PowerPoles right from my Lowrance screen. So very, very simple little product, but it's allowing us now not only using the SeaMonster app on your cell phone or tablet, but when you're out on the water, being able to just simply go on your graph and checking out how much charge you have in your batteries, and also running your PowerPoles straight from the unit. So pretty cool little product. SeaMonster Gateway, it's bringing all these great products into one right at the touch of your fingertips.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.